know beauty junkies like us are always on the hunt for new beauty tips and trends. So we want to take you around the world to show you some of the best ones that we've found. And today, we're going to the streets of Paris, France to find out their best kept beauty secrets. For French women, less is more, which is where micellar water comes in. This product is a no-rinse, all-in-one makeup remover, cleanser and toner and plays a huge role in their skincare routine. This traditional cleanser was designed decades ago to help Parisians deal with the harsh water supply that wasn't suitable for face washing. To use it, simply pour some micellar water on a cotton pad and gently wipe your face with it to remove light makeup and other impurities. And that's it. You don't need to rinse afterwards. Although you might associate French manicures with France, bold red nail polish is a popular trend instead. Unfortunately, it always leaves the nails looking yellow and stained. Banish the stains with this simple remedy. Take 2 cups of water, squeeze the juice of 2 lemons into it, add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and then give it a stir and soak your nails in it for 10 minutes. Lemon juice helps whiten the nails by acting like a natural bleaching agent. Once done, apply your favorite oil onto your nails and gently scrub them with a toothbrush. Wash your hands and follow up with a hand cream. We're using Butterfingers by Glamorous, which is extremely moisturizing. And that's it. Your nails are prepped for a fresh manicure or an all-natural look. French women don't rely too much on makeup for beauty and prefer an all-natural look. So for great skin, try this miracle veggie that isn't just for salad. Take 1 chopped cabbage leaf and put it in a blender along with 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 teaspoons of rice flour, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Then blend it into a smooth paste and leave it on for 20 minutes. Apply this twice a week to enhance your beauty naturally. Avoid bad hair days with this popular rum-based restorative hair mask. To make it, take half a cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and a splash of rum, and a teaspoon of honey. Keep it on for 20 minutes and wash it off with a mild shampoo. Rum aids hair growth while olive oil keeps dryness at bay. Yogurt and honey promote softness and shine. This recipe is definitely a keeper to achieve a gorgeous looking mane. These beauty tips are not just followed by the French, but are also being adopted by women across the world to achieve healthy hair, glowing skin, and shiny nails. Let us know what country you would like us to take you to next in the comments below. Until then, stay tuned and stay glamorous.